Hi, my name is Luciana Ruano and I'm a second year at the Lindner College of Business studying international business. If you're interested in global markets, different cultures, and how business operates across borders, the international business major could be the perfect fit for you. You'll learn how business expand internationally, manage cross-cultural relationships, and navigate the challenge of global markets. You'll study how markets function, how economic and cultural differences impact decision-making, and how business compete on a global scale. One of the biggest advantages of this major is the opportunity for global experience. Lindner offers study abroad programs on every continent, ranging from short-term trips to full semesters, allowing you to gain international experience while earning extra credit toward your degree. Graduates pursue careers in areas like global marketing, international finance, supply chain management, and consulting. The global focus of this degree opens doors to opportunities with multinational companies and organizations around the world. If you're curious about the world, adaptable, and want to build a career path on a global scale, the International Business major can set you up for success.